Language is a bridge connecting different cultures. It is a gateway to new worlds and opportunities. For most of us, this gateway passes through examinations such as the IELTS or the OET. And there are so many techniques, lessons, and theories on how to clear them. But what is it that these examinations are focusing on exactly? Well, the answer is English language skills. My name is George Baby, and I am the lead trainer here at DFYNE. We are an online OET educational platform that is focused on helping students achieve their OET score. In less than a decade or so, I have had the opportunity to work with thousands of students to improve their language skills. After a lot of research and experiments, me and my team now have perfected the system. What does that mean? That means you can customize your course based on how you want to learn, or when you want to learn, or even how much you want to improve. We have meticulously planned it in such a way that no matter how you customize it, you will still see improvements. If you're someone who has attempted these tests and failed, implemented the lessons and techniques and thought to yourself, it's not working for me, think again. Maybe you are so focused on implementing the techniques or the lessons or finding the answers that you are forgetting to develop the underlying skill. I want you to go through the system. And I want you to go through the system because I want you to understand the concept and implement it correctly. Once you implement it correctly, you will not need another trainer's help for your preparation again. So, start your language skill development journey with me today. Sign up now. And I'll see you in the first session. Take care.